Welcome to my channel, and if you here for a good time, you're in the right place. If not, well, stick around anyway. Do you know that cake that tastes like grandma's house, that brings back effective memories and reminds us of simple and special moments? Today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious cornmeal cake, perfect to accompany a fresh coffee and make your day even cozier. It's an easy, quick, and loving-packed recipe that transforms simple ingredients into an amazing experience. This recipe is a piece of cake. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need 3 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of cornmeal, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, half a cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. If you like a twist on flavor, you can add 1 teaspoon of fennel, but this is optional. They are simple ingredients, easy to find, and that you probably already have at home. The preparation is very practical and can be done directly in the blender. Start by placing the eggs, sugar, oil, and milk in the blender cup. Beat well until you get a homogeneous and slightly foamy mixture. This ensures that the liquid ingredients incorporate perfectly, giving a creamy base to the cake. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. With the blender still on, gradually add the cornmeal and wheat flour. Beat until the dough is completely smooth with no lumps. This is the secret to a very fluffy cake. Finally, turn off the blender and add the baking powder, mixing gently with a spoon or spatula. This step is important so as not to lose the air that will make the cake rise in the oven. Before putting it in the oven, prepare the pan. Grease it with butter or oil and sprinkle it with cornmeal or wheat flour. This will ensure that the cake does not stick and has a golden crust on the sides. Pour the dough into the pan and bake in a preheated oven at 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, just wait about 40 minutes while the irresistible aroma begins to invade the house. After this time, do the toothpick test to find out if the cake is ready. Insert a toothpick or fork into the center. If it comes out clean, it's time to remove it from the oven. Let it cool slightly before unmolding to prevent it from breaking. Once it's warm, you can sprinkle some sugar on top or even shredded coconut if you prefer. Don't forget to like the video, share it with whoever you think will like this recipe, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any news. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.